Hello guitar players, I'm Judith.
And I'm Carlos.
We are the founders of ROMBO and we are really excited to share a special part of our journey with you.
After 6 amazing years, powered by the engagement of our wonderful community, we have discovered something truly extraordinary.
Imagine a guitar pick that not only withstands the test of time, but also enhances your sound with new brightness.
That's why we want to introduce you to our new material, CrystalBright. It's the result of a year-long quest to create boutique guitar picks.
It's more than just a material. For us, it feels like a revolution. Made with the precision of injection molding, but finished with a hand-polished touch and inspected one by one.
CrystalBright stands out by giving you brighter tones, improved attack, and incredible durability. Here's the magic. We have found the perfect balance with this formula, making the pick less flexible without making it thicker. The result is a pick that produces super bright tones with unmatched resilience.
Ironically, the more transparent and crystalline the material is, the harder and more resistant it becomes. Come join us on this musical journey.
Support our Kickstarter campaign and experience the brilliance of CrystalBright. Thank you.